Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The Tax Administration of Jamaica, TVJ, has cancelled this Saturday's operations for tomorrow. Now the decision comes as the country braces for the potential impact of severe weather conditions. Persons can, however, still conduct transactions and queries online. To some company news now, Jmmb Group has launched a private equity fund geared towards supporting medium-sized enterprises. Speaking Thursday at the company's annual general meeting, CEO of Jmmb Group, Keith Duncan, says $1.5 billion has been raised.
Grow them and help them grow by providing equity for their growth. We have put in the structures around that. The board has signed off on the whole governance around this, so we now have our first private equity fund. This is major for the Jmmb Group.
Meanwhile, Jmmb Group has entered the real estate development market. Mr. Duncan says properties have been purchased to build out commercial and business process outsourcing spaces.
We have 3 projects in the pipeline right now at this point in time. A total developmental budget of $5 billion, right? And these projects will yield 100,000 square feet of commercial office spaces, right? 30,000 square feet of BPO space, right? Included in this is our Ligani branch, our Ligani space, where we will house our corporate, our Jmmb Bank corporate office and a branch. Acquired land in downtown, and we're now looking to build out 33,000 square feet of space downtown.
Let's head to the foreign exchange market today. The US dollar is being sold for an average $152.72. $114.17 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $173.21 for the pound, while it's costing an average $153.76 for the euro. The JSE main index gained 284 points today, while the junior market index lost 28 points. Among the winners were Mayberry Jamaican Equities, T-Tech, Everything Fresh, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica. Among the losers were iCreate, Palace Amusement, CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Jmmb Group 7.25% shares, and Mailpack Group. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.